Many believe that the cryptocurrency market is something complicated, only accessible to professionals. Trading, analytics, charts, all of that seems necessary. They think you need years of experience or insider knowledge to succeed, but in reality, crypto is just a system, and it can be much simpler than you think. I created software that allows you to recover access to these old wallets. Complex algorithms designed for recovering passwords, phrases, and lost keys. It's not magic, it's math, pure and simple. We use advanced computational techniques to unlock what others think is impossible. It's about probabilities, patterns, and brute force. The things that don't require you to be a genius or have years of investment experience. Instead of spending countless hours analyzing the market, predicting trends, or struggling to keep up with price fluctuations, you can simply tap into algorithms that do all the work for you. Our system works quietly in the background, cracking codes and unlocking wallets that others have long forgotten. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional trader to start earning. You don't need to be a genius or even have a deep understanding of how everything works. All you need is the right software and the willingness to let the system do the heavy lifting for you. With just a few clicks, you can start unlocking forgotten crypto wealth, turning what others have left behind into your own. Imagine all those old wallets that were written off as lost, but are actually filled with untapped value. Download the software, set it up, and let it run. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to start seeing results. It's time to take the complexity out of crypto and make it accessible to anyone. Start today and see how your investment starts growing without the need for endless trading or risky investment.